It's 6 a.m., your alarm is screaming, and you're going to spend the next 9 hours making someone else's life rich while you're counting down the time to 5 p.m. Does it sound similar? Here is the real truth. While you're trading your life for a paycheck, people with no special skills are building income streams that is working 24/7. They started with nothing, no money, no connections, and no experience. Now, in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 methods that is turning regular 9 to 5 job people into real bosses, own bosses. But the number 1 method on this list, it's so simple that most people think it's too good to be true. Stick around, your future self will thank you. If you're trading your life for a paycheck and you want to start a business that is going to work even while you sleep, then you are in the right place. I'm Manogar and I specialize in helping 9 to 5 job people escape their job using proven strategies that are working currently in 2025 to generate serious money online. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 side hustles that you can start with $0. These aren't theories, but backed by real market data, and I will show you exactly how much people are earning and which platforms to use. But before we start, if you're serious about changing your financial situation, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button, because most people watch videos, they do nothing. Don't be the most people. Coming in at number 5 is niche blogging. Now, you might be having the question, isn't blogging dead? Didn't TikTok kill that? Now, here's what most people get it wrong in blogging, right? It's not about competing with the BuzzFeed or the CNN. It's not going for the broad topics like fitness tips or investing ideas. It's about going micro niche. Smart bloggers are making money with niche specific topics like workout routines for software developers or meal preparation plan for night shift nurses. Now, here's why this works. AI has made content creation much easier, but with that advantage, it has led to more garbage and useless generic content online. This means that there is more valuable opportunity for focused, valuable content in specific niches. Here's a real example. A blogger from the US writing about productivity for teachers earns up to $2,000 per month only from 15,000 visitors. Now, how does she make it? It's simple. She uses affiliate links on her blogs and also sponsored posts and also display ads, which is going to generate revenue month after month. You can start completely free on Medium or WordPress.com or LinkedIn. The key is to identify a specific niche where people are ready to spend money and at the same time they have huge problems to be solved. Think of like an AI tools for local service-based businesses or something like productivity tips for remote workers. But blogging can take months to build up. And that's why our number 4 pick can start making money in just weeks. Digital products are like having a magic money machine. Create once, sell forever. Here's what's crazy. The digital market industry is exploding in 2025. We are talking about planners, printables, templates, AI prompt hacks, stuff that takes you literally 2 hours to make, and you can just sell them or at least $20 to $50 each. Now, here is a real example. A teacher from the US just made $3,000 with classroom printables on Etsy, and a graphic designer using Canva templates just made $5,000 in his first month. Even we are also talking about ChatGPT prompts. A person made $1,200 in his first month. The math is beautiful. Create once, sell infinitely. No storing, no shipping, and no handling angry customers. This is a perfect example of making money while you sleep. Here's your action plan. Open Canva, build a template that people need. A budget planner for local businesses or social media templates or wedding planners, whatever. Upload them to Gumroad or Etsy or Payhip. These platforms handle everything. Payments, delivery, and taxes. But here's where people completely mess this up. They create what they think that people might like instead of what people are actually buying. That's why the method number 3 eliminates this guesswork completely. Print on demand is like a digital product, but even smarter. You don't even handle the product creation. Now listen to this. Print on demand industry is valued at $8.16 billion in 2025, and it's growing 23.9% every year. That's not a small business money. It's like buying your parents a house money. Here's how simple it is. You create designs, you upload to platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, or Zazzle. And whenever someone, for example, orders a t-shirt with your design, they print it, they ship it, they handle the returns, everything. You just collect the money. Now you might be thinking, I can't design. Let me help you right here. Some of the best-selling designs are literally motivational quotes in some pretty fonts, and also simple graphic designs made in Canva. I've seen designs that look like made by a kid, but selling hundreds of units. But the secret is trending topics and specific audiences. Right now, designs with AI, remote work, and also popular TV shows are crushing it. And here's a real example. One designer did $4,000 last month with anime designs, and another one made $2,500 just with sarcastic office worker quotes. But here's a real plot twist. All these methods look like a pocket change compared to what's coming in at number one. It's the method that turned a McDonald's employee into a six-figure entrepreneur in just 18 months. YouTube automation. YouTube automation is just like having an own TV channel, except that you never have to be on camera. Here's the game changer. Faceless YouTube channels are absolutely crushing it in 2025. We are talking about channels making $1,000 per month with just 50,000 views. No fancy camera, no showing your face, or no using your voice. The process is beautifully simple. Choose a niche like tech reviews or productivity tips or motivation. Use ChatGPT or Claude for scripts, Lemon Labs for AI voice, and CapCut for editing. Upload, get paid, and repeat. Here is a real example. A Faceless finance channel started 8 months ago is making around $3,200 per month just from YouTube AdSense. Now add affiliate marketing and sponsorships. We are talking about at least $8,000 per month. The best part, once you figure out a system, you can start owning multiple channels. And there are entrepreneurs who are owning 5 to 10 YouTube channels at the same time. It's just like having multiple ATMs that is going to fill themselves with money. Now the tools you need are ChatGPT for script, Pixabay for free videos, and CapCut for editing, and YouTube for hosting. That's it. Here's what nobody talks about. YouTube automation can really take about 6 to 12 months to really pay off. But what if you need money faster? What if your rent is due or your car broke down? And that's where our number one method saves the day. Affiliate marketing isn't just number one. It's in a league of its own. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly, zero-cost money-making machine. Check this out. Affiliate marketing industry alone is worth around $18.5 billion and is expected to hit $31.7 billion by 2031. And over 80% of the businesses use affiliates, and affiliate sales alone contribute around 16% of all online sales. But here's a real kicker, and this is why affiliate marketing completely destroys all the other methods on this list. You can literally make commission this week, not months from now, not after building a huge following, this week. Here's how simple it is. You recommend products using a special link. When someone buys through that link, you get paid. Amazon pays up to 10% commissions. ClickBank and Digistore often have 50 to 75% commissions, and even some softwares pay up to $100 per sale. Going further, you also have high-ticket products like which pays up to $1,000, $5,000, $20,000 high-ticket commissions. Now, the secret weapon, it's video content. People are 49% more likely to buy when they see a video review. A simple video review or a tutorial or a before and after can generate serious money. Here's a real story. Sarah, a teacher from Ohio, US, started promoting productivity software. In her lunch breaks, she made 3 TikTok videos and got around 50,000 views in total and made $800 in commission in her first week. And after 3 months in, she has made around $2,500 per month. And she is even thinking about quitting her teaching. But here's what's happening that most people don't see. The AI revolution isn't killing affiliate marketing, but is just creating massive opportunity for us to move fast. Now, here's the truth that nobody wants to hear. All these 5 methods really work at this moment, but in order to succeed in this, you need to do what the 99% of the people won't do. It's showing up every day. The difference between people making $100 per month and $10,000 per month isn't just about being smarter or working harder. It's just about showing every single day, even when you feel like you don't want to do it. If you're still watching this video, you're already in the top 20%. Most people would have clicked away and watching entertainment videos or cat videos. Now you might have a question like, what method should I start with? Now, if you have 0 followers and 0 money, then I would recommend you to start with affiliate marketing. You can just choose top 3 products, create content about them, and start promoting. And literally you can be making commissions in the first week itself. Now, if you're really serious about making money online and want to quit your 9-to-5 job, then I would recommend you to watch this video on top right of your screen, where I have shown you the exact affiliate marketing formula for complete beginners, for 9-to-5 job workers, step by step. Please go and watch that video, which will answer all your questions. Just remember, the people making money with all these methods aren't just smarter than you. They all just started. If this video opened your eyes to what's actually possible, even starting from 0, then please hit this like button. It will help YouTube to push this video to more audiences like you who need at this moment. Please stay tuned to my channel so that you get highly valuable videos like this and proven strategies to help you make money online. And if you're really serious about affiliate marketing and want to learn and grow an affiliate marketing business with investment, then please check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below. So with that, see you in the next one.